Welcome to the demonstration of APPSeCONNECT. In today's demonstration, I will be showcasing you how you can integrate or connect your online e-commerce store, which is Magento, with your back office ERP, that is Sage 300, via APPSeCONNECT. I will start by the customer synchronization from Magento to Sage. Then I will go for the item and stock part from Sage to Magento. Then I will place an order from Magento store and then synchronize that order from Magento to Sage. Here I will be using the demo Magento store to connect with the demo company in Sage 300. So let's create the customer first. Let's start the process by the synchronization of the customer. So for that I have to create a new customer. So I have to provide the details regarding the new customer, provide the first and last name, and all the mandatory field like the email ID, the password, all details and all the contact information regarding that customer, and the billing and shipping address also we have to provide here. After creating an account, let's go to the address book part where I can add different billing and shipping address. For this demo purpose, I'm just keeping it same. Okay. And after creating this account, just save it and go to the agent, APPSeCONNECT agent part. So here is the agent, which is APPSeCONNECT agent, which is a lightweighted software which is need to be installed in your server, and here you can find all the application, all the connection. So these are the connection, like from Sage to Magento direction there will be a integration point which is customer add. So before synchronization you have to trigger this customer add integration point. Here you can do it manually or automatically, because there are two type of integration button here. So for this demo purpose I'm just keeping it manual, but if you want to make it auto, then you have to provide a particular time, or you have to set a particular time, so that after that time it will synchronize automatically, no need to do it manually. So I have to just trigger this customer add, and there are two sections, which is receipt bucket and log file. So all the details regarding the synchronization success or failure you can find in the receipt bucket, and if there is any failure, so the detail regarding that failure you can find in the log files. So after I think the synchronization is done, so let's go to the Sage section and I will find the customer by the customer number. So this is the customer which I have created. So you can see that the details regarding this customer are available here, like the addresses, the city, the zip code, and the phone number, email, all the mandatory field which I have mentioned in Magento is available now. So without these things, if you want to add more field, then you have to do attribute mapping just, and after that we'll find all the details here. Now let's go to the item synchronization part. For that, in Sage there is a section inventory control, under that item price list, and go to the item part and let's create a new item. So for that I have to provide the structure code, of course, and after that the value of segment name for different segment name. So I'm adding all the values here. Let's just select that. I have to provide the categories, the account set code, and default price list, of course, and this mandatory field which is unit weight I have to mention. And after that let's go to the unit section where I have to add the units. So let's add the unit and I have to make it yes. After that go to the tax section, let's click the GST as a tax. And in the optional field there is a part that is price. I have to provide the unique price for that newly created item, and let's just give a name. And after that just save it. So item is created in Sage. Now go back to the agent, and in the Sage to Magento direction you will find integration point, which is IC product add. You have to just trigger it, and after the synchronization you can see the item will be available in Magento backend. So one thing I am to mention, that customer synchronization and item synchronization can be done bidirectionally. So if you want to create an item from Magento and you want to synchronize that, that can be possible also. So I think the synchronization is done. So let's go to the product part. Under catalog section you can find the product which I have newly created. So let's find the product by its name. Okay, so this is the product which I have created. I'm just expanding that product, and you can see that all the details which I have mentioned in Sage regarding that product are available here, like the SKUs, the price, and the categories and weight, all are available here. So let's just upgrade the stock part and synchronize that. For that, just go to Sage again, and under the inventory control you can find there is a section IC transaction, and in adjustment part I have to upgrade the stock. Let's just add line, and I'm just finding my item which I have newly created. I have to add it, and I have to add a location which is a warehouse basically, and go to the quantity section. I'm just upgrading the quantity, and after upgrading that quantity, let's just post it. One thing I have to mention, that you have to add the serial code and serial number and lot number here to upgrade to synchronize the stock. So let's go to the server where Sage 300 is installed, and in the item wizard part I have to add the serial number and lot number, of course, for that particular item which I have newly created. Okay, let's find the item by its name. So here is the item. So I need to be check these boxes like serial number and lot number to provide the details, or to provide the lot number. Let's add the serial number first and then go to next, and here you have to add the lot number, and just you have to click on the next, and after that just finish it. So after adding the serial and lot number, again go back to the agent, and from Sage to Magento direction you can find there is a integration point which is inventory update. Let's just trigger that, and after completing the synchronization, if I refresh this page, then I can find the quantities is upgraded. So I think the synchronization is done. Let's go to the backend part, and let's just refresh this product section. So if you see the quantity, you can see that the quantity is upgraded, so I can say the stock synchronization is successfully done. So let's go to the order part. For that I have to go to the Magento online store, and let's just place an order by that customer name which I have newly created. Okay, I'm just finding the item which I have newly created and place an order. So after checkout I need to add the billing and shipping addresses. So I have mentioned all the shipping methods and address. Let's click to the next, and here I have to add all the details and just place the order. After placing the order, let's go to the agent, and from Magento Sage direction I can find there is an integration point which is order add. Let's just trigger that, and after synchronization has been done, you can find the order details will be available in Sage. So go to under order entry section, you can find the order, and then the synchronization is done. Let's find that whether it's a success or not. It's showing success. So let's find the order by the order number. Okay, So you can find that all the details regarding that order, like the items, quantity, and the taxes, all is available here. And in the rates part, you can find the which I have mapped the currencies, so it is showing here also. So these are some few integration point which we have developed, and for any other queries you can directly contact with us. Thank you.